This is the next topic in third module using customer complaints. Although complaints are reactive, they are very vital in gathering data on customer perceptions. A dissatisfied customer can easily become a lost customer. Some actions organizations can take to handle complaints are as follows. Investigate customers' experiences by actively soliciting feedback, both positive and negative, and then acting on it promptly. Develop procedures for complaint resolution that include empowering frontline personnel. Analyze complaints but understand that complaints do not always fit into neat categories. Work to identify process and material variations and then eliminate the root cause. More inspection is not corrective action. When a survey response is received, a senior manager should contact the customer and strive to resolve the concern. Establish customer satisfaction measures and constantly monitor them. Communicate complaint information as well as the results of all investigations and solutions to the people in the organization. Provide a monthly complaint report to Quality Council for their evaluation and, if needed, the assignment of process improvement teams. Identify customers' expectations beforehand rather than afterward through complaint analysis. Service quality. Customer service is a set of activities an organization uses to win and retain customer satisfaction. It can be provided before, during, or after the sale of the product or exist on its own. The elements of customer services are as follows. Organization. Identify each market segment. Write down the requirements. Communicate the requirement. Organize process. Organize physical spaces. Customer care. Meet the customer's expectations. Get the customer's point of view. Deliver what is promised. Make the customer feel valued. Respond to all complaints. Over respond to the customer. Provide a clean and comfortable customer reception area. Communication. Optimize the trade-off between time and personal attention. Minimize the number of contact points. Provide pleasant, knowledgeable, and enthusiastic employees. Write documents in customer-friendly language. Frontline people. Hire people who like people. Challenge them to develop better methods. Give them the authority to solve problems. Serve them as internal customers. Be sure they are adequately trained. Recognize and reward performance. Leadership. Lead by example. Listen to the frontline people. Strive for continuous process improvement. Some of the additional comments are: characteristic, expectation, delivery, delivered on schedule in undamaged condition, installation, proper instructions on setup or technicians supplied for complicated products, use, clearly written training manuals or instructions provided on proper use, field repair, properly trained technicians to promptly make quality repairs, customer service, friendly service, representatives to answer questions, warranty, clearly stated with proper service on claims. These are the characteristics and expectations.